Welcome to Nari Sakhi, and today we are making sweet coconut rice, very tasty. And here I have taken rice, basmati rice, washed it very nicely, cleaned it, rinsed it with water, and you can keep it soaking for 5 to 7 minutes. Drain all the water out, and I'm going to put it in a big strainer so that all the water comes out. Keep it a little bit tilted, and now I'm going to mix fresh coconut and grated jaggery and mix it very well. And once this is ready, we are going to make rice. So here I have ghee, and I'm going to fry cashews a little bit. And once the cashews are lightly brown, we don't want to make it too brown. I'm going to take them out in a different pan because we're going to use it later. And we're going to use this ghee to make rice. You can also use butter. So now I'm going to add cloves and rice, and stir the rice for only 2 minutes. Make sure the gas is very low because we don't want to change the color of the rice. Add hot water so that rice is cooked very nicely. Stir it very nicely and let it cook on a medium heat. And we don't want to make it mushy because this recipe the rice is full and is separate. Add little bit of salt because jaggery has a little bit saltish taste. Stir it well. I'm going to cook it for about after every 2 to 3 minutes you need to check it out. So now the rice is cooked. There is little bit of water left, so I'm going to cover it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and it's perfectly cooked. There is not any water, there's little bit of moisture which we need. So now we are going to add jaggery and coconut mix. Mix it well, mix it with very lightly because we don't want to break the rice or make it mushy. So mix it very lightly. Now we are going to add cardamom seed powder and mix it again. Cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until all the jaggery and coconut flavor mixes in the rice. And now jaggery is melted. It smells heavenly. I'm going to add cashews. Mix it again very lightly. And after putting off the gas, I'm going to cover and keep it for another 2 to 3 minutes and then serve it. You can serve this rice hot, steaming hot. It tastes really good. Do try this out and let me know if you have any questions or comments. This sweet coconut rice, very easy to make. And please subscribe Nari Sakhi for more videos.